Here are two more examples. This time I folded in two greater than or less than equal signs for our enjoyment. X is already by itself. I've got two walls, if you will. X is already alone, so this equation is just simply ready to get pictured on the number line. Here we have a -1, and up this way 5. Let's put our 5 there. So X is between them. -1, we have less than or equal to, so we're going to circle the 1 and color it in. And our 5 gets an open circle because that's just simply less than, a less than sign. X value would be somewhere in the middle. Any of these values would satisfy X. So X would equal anywhere from a -1. So I'm going to actually bracket that off and say 1 because it ends here with including the 1, all the way to 5. And 5 is an open circle, so 5 is not part of the solution set. We could go 4.99999, and that would be in the solution set, but not including 5. So to show the actual values that would satisfy X, we would put a bracket around the -1, because that's the colored in circle, and the 5 would get just a parenthesis. Let's try this one. Here are walls. This time X is not alone, so we're going to have to remove the 6. This is a multiplication symbol at this point, so we're going to divide by 6 on each of the pieces. So we've got two problems going on. This eliminates the 6 altogether. Now X is by itself. That's good. We're dividing, but it's not by a negative number, so our signs can remain the same, in the same order. We don't have to flip anything. Remember, that was one of the things that we would need to do. If we multiply or divide by a negative number, then the signs get flipped. But in this case, it's positive, so we're good. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 90 divided by 6, 6 goes into 9 one time with 3 left over. 6 divides into 30 5 times. So now our symbols can just get copied, and it's possible to graph it at this point. We have a 6 here and a 15 over on this side. The 6 gets a circle that is not colored in, and the 15 gets a circle that is not colored in. So X then is between these two. The solution set for X would be a parenthesis, 6, because 6 is not included in the solution set. We use a parenthesis, all the way up to a 15, and that also gets a parenthesis. So those are our solution sets.